What if AI could help you make money without coding, a big budget, or even tech skills? AI side hustles are exploding in 2025, and today, I'll show you 5 AI-powered businesses you can start right now. Make sure you stay until the end. I'll reveal the AI side hustle with the biggest earning potential. First up is AI-powered content creation. Tools like ChatGPT and Copy.ai can help you write blog posts, ads, and product descriptions in minutes. Businesses are already paying freelancers for AI-generated content on platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, and People Per Hour. Some entrepreneurs are even building entire websites using AI-generated articles and monetizing them through ads and affiliate marketing. To get started, offer your services as an AI-powered writer, or create your own content website and monetize it. But here's the key question. How do you make sure AI-generated content actually makes money? We'll answer that shortly. The second AI side hustle is AI-generated voiceovers and audiobook narration. AI tools like ElevenLabs and Play.ht let you generate incredibly realistic voiceovers in just seconds. Businesses and content creators pay for these voiceovers for ads, videos, and audiobooks. You can offer your AI-generated voiceover services on Fiverr and Upwork, or even create audiobooks to sell on Audible and ACX. And here's the best part. You don't need a professional recording studio. AI handles everything. Number 3 is AI-powered e-commerce. With tools like MidJourney and Canva, anyone can create high-quality artwork and designs. People are using AI to make t-shirts, mugs, book covers, and even digital products like ebooks, planners, and guides. You can sell these products through print-on-demand platforms like Etsy, Redbubble, and Shopify. And the greatest benefit? You never handle inventory or shipping. AI does the heavy lifting. Fourth on our list is using AI for stock market research and investing. AI investing tools like FinChat, Tickeron, and Trade Ideas analyze stock trends and predict market movements. But here's an important warning. While AI is powerful, it does not guarantee profits. It's simply another tool to help investors make better decisions. You can use AI tools to research stocks, or even create content around AI-driven market insights on platforms like YouTube, blogs, or social media. Can AI really beat human investors? That's a question you'll want to explore carefully. Our final AI side hustle is creating AI chatbots and automation services for small businesses. Businesses everywhere are using AI chatbots, like ChatGPT, ManyChat, and Jasper to automate customer support, sales, and marketing. But there's a big opportunity here. Most business owners don't know how to set them up. That creates huge demand and very little competition. You can start by offering AI chatbot setup services or sell pre-built chatbot templates tailored to different industries. This hustle has great potential, simply because many businesses haven't realized they need it yet. AI isn't replacing humans. It's helping people work smarter and creating new ways to earn money. If you enjoyed this video, hit the like button. It really helps the channel. And make sure to subscribe for more AI business and investing insights from Tech Money Insider. Now, let's continue the conversation. Which AI side hustle sounds best to you? Tell me in the comments below. If you're interested in AI investing, check out my latest video on how to invest in AI stocks. Click here now.